What's up, CS2 enthusiast? Welcome back again to our channel. Today we're diving into a super cool topic, and that is how to play workshop maps in Counter-Strike 2. But before we dive into all of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, workshop maps are a fantastic way to explore new content, improve your skills, or just have fun with friends, right? Playing workshop maps in Counter-Strike 2 offers a lot of compelling reasons for players to explore and enjoy custom content. Okay, um, it can introduce a wide variety of gameplay experiences that can be different from the standard CS2 maps, and this variety includes new settings, themes, challenges, and game modes, keeping the game fresh and exciting. Workshop maps are created by the CS2 community, which often includes talented map designers and modders, and playing these maps allow players to appreciate the creativity and effort put into custom content. So many workshop maps are designed specifically to help players improve their skills. Aim training maps, for example, can enhance shooting accuracy, while movement maps can improve agility and control. So, some workshop maps present unique challenges and puzzles that require problem solving and teamwork to overcome. This adds an element of excitement and mystery to the game. So, how do we do that? First and foremost, you have to download the map itself. So I have it here. All I gotta do is copy this one and go to the map folder. All right, so once you copied that file, now try to load the Counter Strike 2 game. It'll take some time. Okay. Also, may I remind you that workshop maps contribute to the long-term appeal of CS2 by providing a constant stream of new content. Players can always look forward to trying out something new. Okay, so you have to go and toggle your console if you don't see your console like this one. All I gotta do is go to the gear icon at the upper left, go to game, and then enable developer console. Say ticket to yes, and then once that, all they have to do is type in map. All right, it'll load up. Just have to wait. Okay, so some workshop maps are known for their difficulty, which can provide a challenging experience for our players. And some are looking to master advanced skills and techniques. So playing workshop maps in CS2 enhances the game's longevity and offering an array of experiences, fostering creativity and promoting community engagement. It's like a great way to keep the game enjoyable and fresh for both new and experienced players alike. If you find this video helpful or at least entertaining, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.